One of the first steps in starting a business is determining the legal structure you'll need to have. A structure is basically the legal definition of your business, and it pertains to the ownership and operation of your business on a day-to-day level. Businesses can be legal structured in a number of different ways, and you need to know that there are certain advantages and disadvantages to each type of structure before making your choice. Selecting your legal structure is an important choice, and it requires some consideration. The choice of legal structure determines many things, such as how much personal responsibility you will have for the business's debts and liabilities, the amount and type of outside capital that will be available to you, how much in taxes you will pay and how you will pay them, how simple your business is to set up and to operate, and ultimately what long-term succession planning issues you will experience when it is time to get out of your business. The two topics that are of greatest interest to most business owners are how you pay taxes and personal liability. Let's talk about each of these briefly before we get started into individual entities. When it comes to taxes, some legal structures pay their own income tax separate from the owners. Other structures are only taxed at the personal income level. More tax issues are going to arise when employees are added to a company. When it comes to personal liability, some structures are easy to set up on the surface, but if any legal or financial problems arise, it can cost you everything. Other structures are set up specifically to limit your personal liability, but have other responsibilities associated. With taxes and personal liability being driving forces, it's no surprise that advice may differ depending upon which professional you choose to retain. An attorney is looking at your structure from a legal standpoint, while an accountant may look at your structure from a taxation standpoint. These professional service providers may not always offer the same advice on what type of structure to choose. Keep in mind that each type of professional is concentrating on a very specific issue on your behalf. If different structures are recommended by different professionals, be sure to weigh the pros and cons of each when deciding which structure is most suitable for your business. The 5 most common legal structures to choose from include a sole proprietorship, partnership, C corporation, S corporation, and a limited liability company. Just like your body has a skeleton, every business must have an underlying structural framework. This structure is the legal backbone of your business. Many issues that may arise in the future will depend on the type of legal structure that you have chosen. My team of customer service representatives will take you through the next section on common legal structures.